Computech Technology Services provides high-quality on-site computer repair, networking, and voice and data cabling services throughout the entire city of Key Biscayne, Florida. Our highly skilled, industry-certified on-site computer repair and network technology service technicians travel directly to your Key Biscayne site to supply quick, inexpensive installation, configuration, troubleshooting and repair services on an exceptionally wide range of different computer, printer, and networking technologies. Whether you need Windows operating system error repair performed on your desktop or laptop workstation, virus elimination, or complex hardware diagnosis and repair for main boards, RAM, CPUs, or hard disk drives, our highly experienced computer system PC service technicians have you covered. If you need network installation, setup and repair services including complete voice and data structured cabling services, our professionally trained voice and data network techs are all set to service your Key Biscayne location immediately. Whether you need troubleshooting of your ISP modem, network router troubleshooting, or simply need one of our professional Florida technicians to pull some brand new cabling to support your growing network, we have it all covered, quickly and professionally. Give us a call today and find out why we are Florida's best on-site computer repair, networking, and voice and data structured cabling service supplier, 859-780-3020.